Hey guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, over the last few weeks, you've been hearing all the excitement about how we can now custom dyno tune the 4JJ3 engines in the Isuzu D-Max, MUX and Mazda BT50. This black one behind me is a brand new one, and it's one of the employees from PWR Performance Products. PWR are one of our main suppliers for our intercooler upgrades and also the intercooler fan kits and transmission coolers. And they are world leaders in cooling technology, and they're involved in all forms of motorsport, including Formula One. For both PWR and Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we've been doing the research and development into the intercoolers for the 4JJ3 motors. We've already fitted the upgraded PWR intercooler kit to this vehicle. For the new D-Maxes and Mazda BT50s, these intercooler kits provide 69% increase in core area over the OEM intercoolers, plus over 50% more tube rows, which allow for less pressure drops, so less restriction for improved engine response. The kits also feature mandrel bent aluminium piping with ribbed outlets to prevent hose blow-offs, plus high quality silicone hose. So guys, now that we've fitted up the new intercooler to the D-Max, it's time to custom dyno tune it to complement the new intercooler. So I'm really looking forward to show you the gains we're going to get in power and torque in this one. But before we do that, let's get it in the workshop and do a pre-tune inspection on it. This is a particularly important part of the tuning process here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Even if they are brand new vehicles, we still carry out the inspection just like on this D-Max. It is to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good and there are no fluid leaks. As expected, the inspection is all good on this one and it's ready to go, so let's get it on the dyno for the custom dyno tune. As mentioned before, this D-Max is actually owned by an employee of PWR Performance Products. We're working today with PWR to see the efficiency of the intercooler and the benefits that it provides to the engine, combined with the custom dyno tune to suit. The owner of the D-Max uses it as a daily driver. He also tows a jet ski with it. So we're going to be taking all this into consideration when we custom dyno tune this vehicle, as well as what modifications we have done with the upgraded intercooler. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying mechanical issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. We've now completed the custom dyno tune on the D-Max. Let's take a look at the results. When we first ran the car up at 103 kilowatts of power and 401 newton meters of torque, and this is before we fitted the upgraded PWR intercooler. After we did that, as well as did the custom dyno tune on the vehicle, taking into consideration how the customer drives the vehicle and what he's using it for, it went to 133 kilowatts of power and 538 newton meters of torque. This was a 29% gain in peak power and 34% gain in peak torque. The one big noticeable difference in this vehicle with the intercooler being fitted is it had a lot more efficiency through the rev range for us to tune it. But on top of that, once we got around the 3,000 RPM mark, it became really efficient with the volume of air that was transporting through that intercooler. Well, won't the owner of this D-Max and the boys from PWR notice a significant difference when they get in and take it for a drive? The custom dyno tune we've done on it has really complemented the intercooler and made it a different vehicle with over 30% gain in torque. So if you've got a new Isuzu D-Max, Mazda BT50 and looking to improve the performance and drivability of this vehicle, give us a call and talk to one of our diesel specialists. And remember, we do have a diesel network all around Australia that can custom dyno tune your vehicle, and make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.